Okay, good morning friends. So today we are going to welcome to next video. So today we are going to discuss next IUPAC names are there. Actually we started earlier chapter early video. If you want to clarification about IUPAC names, you go through previous video. So now we are going to discuss about exceptional cases or some more examples. Coming to this point, what happens here? This is we can call it as amine. Okay, amine NH group is there. This is not a continuous long chain. If you want to find out long chains, you have to have continually carbon chain should be there. But nitrogen is there. But we don't take care whatever it may be. So we have to always write like this. This is what ethyl group is there, na? So N ethyl. This is totally N-ethyl. What happened? N-ethyl. This is total ethyl. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because functional group is there. We have to start the number from this carbon only. So total how many carbons are? Butane. So N-ethyl, butane. This is totally NH group. Even NH group means amine. Amine group is there. So butanamine. You have to write like this. So coming to this point, this is what, say this is a functional group it is. So started from here only, 1, 2, 3, 4, longest chain we have taken. So what happens here? N-methyl is there, N-ethyl is there. So we have to take N-methyl, it's over. So finally this is what? Butanamine. You are getting my point. Next, it's over. Next one, coming to this one, what? This is amide group. This is CONH. It means amide, not amine. Amide group it is. So we have to take from this one only. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there. So what happens here? This is N-ethyl. You have to take N-ethyl, whatever it may be. N-ethyl, and another one is N-methyl. N-ethyl. Total what? Butane, amide. Don't take any amine. You have to take amide, butanamide. So coming to this point, this is also totally amide group. It is CONH2. I am also this is C double bond O NH2. If you came there, this is amide group. It is. This is a amide group. So this amide on the base this one. So carbon chain it is, carbon it is. In functional group, carbon is there. We have to number it 3, 4. So what happens here? Amide group is there. Total amide group is there. At nth position we don't have any substitute, so leave it. But here third position, from this side third position, what we have? Methyl group is there. So we have to take 3-methyl butanamide. Butanamide you have to take. So coming to this one, this is also amide group. You know, this is also amide group. But N substitute is there. So leave it. So we have number takes place from here only. 1, 2, 3, 4, longest chain. So we have to take N-methyl butanamide. This is the correct option. Okay. Next some compounds are there. We have to give names for them. Naming is some very late is there. So I will give you numbering, how from where we have to give number. So this is a compound. Now tell me which is the functional group present in this. So aldehyde is the functional group. So this is functional group has along with carbon. So we have to take from that number also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the correct option. So coming to the 9th option, what happens here? This is, we don't have it. Here ketone group is there. Ketone groups, this is what ketone group. So here carbon is there. Carbon is there means, how can you find out here? Carbon. Ketone group is there. Ketone group means, how can you find out? From this side, we have to give number 4, 5, 6, 7. Second one, this is what? This is methyl group. This is a COH group. In which way we have to take? You don't take here like this. Functional group it is. Why? Because in functional group carbon is there. We have to start from that one only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But why don't you take here 1, 2, 3? Why? Because functional group carbon in this is along with chain only. That's why we are going to the numbering from nearest number. But here this carbon is in this side, this chain is in this side. So that's why we have to take from this side only. The second position ethyl group is there, and fourth group unsaturation is there. Fifth position methyl group is there. Why? Because unsaturated methyl is not preferred first. Why? Because it is less than functional group. A functional group must and should be first priority given. So coming to this 11th position, 11th question, what is there? This is unsaturated. First carbon is unsaturation is there. Here chlorine is there, and this is some is there. So where we have to take number? You want to take from here only. Here, if you want to take here from, why? Because unsaturated is there, chlorine is there. Okay, unsaturation given first preference to then substance group. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. This is a COCl group, carbonyl chloride. So this is a functional group. We have to take from this number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the correct option. Coming to this point, what happened here? This is the first option. This is totally alkyl group. Don't give a number to this one. Why? Because this is not a continuous chain. This is interacted. It's interacted by OC. It is bond is attached to oxygen, not a carbon. That's why we got to give any number to this CH3 group. From here we have to give this one. Coming to this point, what happens here? Here let's write it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the order. Coming to this point, come here. This is separated atom is there. Hetero atom is there. We don't take from here to here, end to end. So from this one, by basing this one, we have to take this carbon as a 1, this carbon as a 2. By basing this one, we have to take this carbon as a first preference, second carbon. So this is the ordering one. So coming to this point, this is also same. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Over. You are getting my point. So here what happens? CN group is there. If you want to take from this side only, 1, 2, 3 is there. No. Why? Because carbon is not included in the carbon. See, chain. This carbon functional group. CN is the cyano group functional group. So this cyano group is not included in this chain. So you have to take a number taken from the functional group 1, 2. If you take this side, less number carbon chain is obtained. So we have to take from this side 3, 4, 5. This is the correct option. So coming to this point, whatever this is thionyl group. Thionyl is a functional group. Don't take here unsaturation first. Okay. What happens here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the order by naming it. Okay. Okay. Next one is what happened here. So two or more than one functional group will be more than one same functional group will be given. So in this condition, how can you name it? You are getting my point. How can you name it? So this is a functional group. This is also functional group. If you take a name from any side, so how can you remember? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally what? Butane 1, 4. Butane, total butane is there. Butane 1, 4 di Al. Nickname is Al. You are getting my point. Next one. Coming to this point. Here what happens? This is a cyano group. This is a cyano group. Whatever and maybe wherever you take. So we have to take from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 6 here. 2 carbon ethyl group is there. Here also 5th carbon methyl group is there. How can I write? 2 ethyl, 5 methyl, 1, 6 dinitrile. Dinitrile and dial. When you will give that one, dinitrile will be given. Dinitrile you will give when you give the number to functional group carbon. If functional group carbon is given a number, then we have to take dinitrile and Al. You are getting my point. So coming to this point, so you take this one, this side or this side, you have to take from this side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is there? What happens here? Carbonyl chlorides will be there. Carbonyl chloride. This is the naming first you have to given. Here what happens here? 2 methyl, 2 methyl. Total how many carbons? F2, F10, 1 comma 7 dioxyl chloride, oxyl chloride. Next one here, what happens? This is carbon, this is number 1, this is 2, this is no, it is not, no substance will be there. You have to take from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, this is the correct option. Next, 2 ethyl. Here, how can you write? 2 ethyl, how many carbons? Hexa. Okay, hexa 1 comma 6. Hexane 1 comma 6. Dioic acid. Dioic acid. You have to remember and write down your note. Suppose they given like this. This is a formal group, means aldehyde group. This is a acid group. Among these aldehydes and acid, which is preference first? Acid is preference first. So we have to take from the number from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Total butane is there. So at 4th position, what is there? 4th position, oxo we can attach when it has acts as a prefix. So oxo, 4th oxo, okay, 4th oxo, total butane, butane 1 oic acid, 1 oic acid. You can write like this also. Butane 1 oic acid. If you take it as a formal group, if you are not counting this number, formal means totally this carbon not counted. Formal, you have to take these 3 carbons only. Propanoic acid. This is the correct option. Here listen, what happens here? This is carbon. 3 or more functional groups are present on the parent chain. How can you remember? How can you name it? And how can you give a number to them? So when they given like this, we have to just remove them. I mean, don't give number to them. So what happens here? If you take this carbon 1, 2, 3 like this, this is propane. This is called propane. At which carbon positions they have? These are called what? Carbaldehyde. These are called carbon. If functional group is not given number, then CHO will be called as carbaldehyde. If number is not given, number not given to functional group carbon, so then we can call this one as a carbaldehyde. If given, how can you name it? Al. Okay, if given Al. So coming to CN, if given, we can call as nitrile, but it is carbonitrile. If not given, carbonitrile. Next one, this is COH. If given, how can you find out? If number is given to this functional group of COH, how can you number? Oic acid. But if it's not given, if number is not given, carboxylic acid, simply carba should be added to that one. Carboxylic acid. Next one, okay, these are the you have to remember. So welcome to the next one problem. So next one molecule, what happens here? Give me number propane. At which position CHO is there? If CHO is not given number, so that's why we can call it as carbaldehyde. So how many carbaldehydes are there? 3 carbaldehydes there. In which positions they have? So 1, 2, 3 tricarbaldehyde. Okay, next one here 1, 2, 3 prop or propane, whatever it may be. 1, 2, 3 carbonitrile. Next this one propane 1, 2, 3 tri. These are carboxylic acids. Coming to this one also same, na? No, we have to take from this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexane 2, 3, 6. carboxylic acid, carboxylic acids. These are the very important in nomenclature. In every exam, at any exam, they will give one nomenclature also. Okay guys, up to here this video is over. So we will meet at next video. Okay. Sorry, it is not completed. So IUPAC names will be there. We will go through next video. So you have to learn day by day. Okay. I will explaining deep section. Okay. It is not in normal way. I am giving you examples of deep section. I am finding out and I am giving you examples. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.